Hi, everyone. Welcome to this episode of MedTech Minis. I'm your host, Susie Ingwall, and today I have Alan with me from NDR Medical. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm so excited to have you here all the way from Singapore. Appreciate you getting up early to be with me. Tell me a little bit about yourself and the problem that you set out to solve.
Hi, Susie. I'm Alan Goh, CEO and co-founder of NDR Medical. We are a Singapore-based startup that was started about 10 years ago, trying to build the first AI image-guided surgical robot to help with percutaneous access, mainly for the purpose of biopsy ablation. What we know the product as automated needle targeting is for needle access. So we are trying to build the first automated system to support the surgical procedures.
I love it. I think it's great. I'm so excited for this, and I know that you've got a really great story behind it as far as getting to the U.S. and all that kind of stuff. And we'll get into that in just a minute about when you'll be in the U.S. market. But tell us a little bit about the two products that you have. So you've got the Ant-C and the
X.
X. Yes. Sorry, I had a brain freeze there. So Ant-C and Ant-X. So tell us about both of those products.
We actually started the company with this product known as Ant-X, which is automated needle targeting under X-ray. It's meant for PCNL, percutaneous nephrolithotomy, kidney stone removal. Because after doing our research, we realized that this is a problem that hasn't been resolved for the last 30 years. Nobody has come up with a way to assist doctor in doing a precise access to the calyx of the kidney. Hence, we developed an image-guided solution, meaning we captured real-time fluoroscopic image, we navigate, we analyze it, and we try to find a pathway to assist the surgeon in angulating the needle so that he can get a precise and quick, swift access in order to do stone removal. And subsequently, the solution works and we are very happy. We got an approval, it has been in use, yet we slowly pivot to a CT-guided solution, which gives us a lot more information, because CT slices is a 2D image. When you kind of reconstruct it into a 3D volumetric data, it gives us the depth perception. It tells us exactly where the problem is and how to access with various trajectory paths. And that's the reason why we have an Ant-X fluoroscopic robot as well as an Ant-C CT-guided system.
That's fantastic. I think this is such a cool solution, and it looks really cool too. So I'll have to make sure we get a picture into this video when we get it out to everyone. But really excited for this. So where are you on market now, and when will you be on market in the US, or when are you shooting for? Because I know you probably can't tell us exactly.
Yes, it's quite exciting because the first product, Ant-X, has already received 510K clearance. We kind of sold a couple of units in Asia. We are trying to bring this solution to the US market. We have found a few clinical collaborators that's going to support our market entry, like a first few clinical studies. And good to share that beyond PCNL, the first solution has already kind of explored into spinal solutions like vertebroplasty, kyphoplasty, and many more. And right now, beyond fluoroscopic guidance, it's combined with cone beam CT. So it's a platform device that integrates with a fluoroscopic device that allows for guidance. That's where the product is at this current moment. The other product, because there's a lot of AI software solution in it for automated guidance. So that product, the CT guided system, is under trial right now in Singapore. We have done close to 55 patients at the moment.
Wow.
Another 5 more. We should be able to have enough data to submit for approval. And subsequently, I think the market can kind of expect it to be on the market in a year or 2 time.
That's fantastic. I'm so excited for this because I think anything that we can do to use technology to make lives better for our patients and for the physicians that are treating them. It sounds like we've talked before about this, and you're not only doing something faster and better, you're cutting down physician time, you're making a better patient experience. Tell us about some of the benefits of the robotics and the technology you're using.
Yeah, as the name implies, it's automated needle targeting. We are trying to automate some of the procedure itself. Not that we are really trying to remove clinicians or from the whole ecosystem, but mainly we are trying to speed up and reduce the variability between users. we still require the clinicians to be there to confirm the pathway that is selected. They still need to do the biopsy, they still need to do the ablation. It's just that we make it so easy. It's like a 5-6 step approach, and generally anyone with basic knowledge would be able to use the device to perform more complex or more risky procedures, like access to the lung. We
Wow.
reduce pneumothorax and reduces hemorrhages. And after speaking to a lot of clinicians, what they foresee this device would really help us in the hands of slightly younger doctors who hasn't had that experience, or they have not gone through like 10 years, 1,000 patients experience. Generally, with the device, it helps to overcome this experience gap, and it will be perfect in the rural or even in some of the ASC settings.
That's fantastic. I'm excited for this. I can't wait for it to be on the market in the United States. I just want to show it to everybody. So it's a really cool product. The work that you guys have been doing is amazing. How do people learn more about you? Where can they see more about NDR Medical, and how do they get in touch with you?
Well, the easiest way is just to visit our website, ndrmedical.com, or kind of find me on LinkedIn. That'll be the easiest way to figure out a bit more about product. Or the easiest way, Google, search NDR Medical surgical
Perfect.
robot. You should be able to find something.
Love it. Love it. Well, thank you so much for joining us today. It's my pleasure to have you here. And when you're back on the market, I'd love to have you back so that we can share it with everybody.
Yep.